If you are interested, just look for Katya. Yeah, Katya.
And also May 14,
Hindi ka po, May 14.
May 14 din sa nagwaling Pilar Batali na prices 532.
Yes, but maybe. I think siguro, just look for Katya for more information.
Alright, so ito na po ang ating tapay, siyempre. Papasalamatan ka man, babatingin. And also, we'd like to thank for my hair makeup, Kat International Group of Salon.
Wow. Okay, happy,
Miss Lalaine.
Pwede mo, babate.
Oo, batiin mo naman din.
Happy birthday to Joshua. Nakauwi lang daw. Tapos, happy birthday kay Chief, kay Dominic, kay Cholo, kay AJ, kay Tantan, kay Harry, kay Bondi, and Mark. And also sa ating mga kapatid na nanonood at sa mga taong sumusuporta sa ganitong ticket programa.
Oo, syempre sumula mga kapatid natin sa ganilutihan, mga taga-dinulutihan na nandyan. Palapag naman mga taga-dinulutihan natin kapatid, mga taga-Hermosa, Urani, at sama, syempre Barangay na Bukay. Maraming salamat po mga taga-Pilar na kapatid natin sumusuporta sa gabi na po, syempre. Alright?
Okay, with no particular order.
Alright.
Record drop with no particular order. Girls, are you ready? Okay.
Okay, our top 5. And back to zero po tayo, no? Back to zero, and ang idea mo ni Gardy, 60% intelligence and 40% beauty.
Alright, so back to zero.
And you only have one question to answer.
Right.
So, alright, our first, finally, finality number, finality number 8. Our second, finally, finality number 7. And our third, finally, finality number 12. Number to the higher number.
Okay. Lowest number will be number 3, 13. There's only one question for you guys.
Alright, okay. Sabi ko, thank you so much.
Thank you. Salamat po for manali.
Alright.